Hello students, I'm Mahima Bancha from EduSure, and today we are very fortunate with us to have Deepa with us. So Deepa is studying Masters in Economics from IIT Roorkee, and she's here to share her experience about the college that she's studying in with all of you, so that we all know how is life at IIT. So how is it studying at IIT? So hi Deepa.
Hi.
Thank you so much for taking out your time today for talking to us.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Deepa, let me just start by asking that, so this is, when did you start college at IIT Roorkee?
I just started this year only. It's just only one semester and I'm in the second semester now.
Yeah, sure.
Deepa, so how long has it been for you at IIT?
It's just only been one semester and I am in my second semester right now.
Okay, so when did college start for you?
It started in around August, but it was totally in online. So it was started from home only.
Okay.
We are having online classes right now.
Okay, and when did you go to campus?
I came to the campus on October, 6th October.
Okay.
It's been almost 2 months in the campus.
Okay, but it's still online only.
Yeah, now it's our winter vacation is going on.
Right.
And I don't know, because of this Omicron thing, it might be online again. But I am in the campus right now.
Okay, right. How is the campus?
It is really a very good experience because it is our winter vacation going on, and I am exploring the campus and all. There are
Right.
lots of facilities and there are lots of things to explore.
Absolutely. What is your batch size, Deepa?
Sorry?
What is your batch size at IIT Roorkee?
At first it was 32 students, but a lot of students left the course because of they don't want to come out of Delhi, because most of the students are from Delhi University and all. So they had an idea something like their DSE is much better than IIT Roorkee maybe in respect of placement and all.
Okay.
I think which is he's not at a correct idea. I think things are being changed right now. So right now we have 12 students who are determined to stay, and now the best chance is 12 only.
Okay, so I'm sure IIT will take in more students, they'll offer admission to more students and they'll fill the batch.
The seat is 32 students, no? So most of them have left the course after the midterm examination, because the DSE and JNU exam was bit late comparatively this year, so they didn't get a chance to refill that batches and all.
Yeah.
So I think this year we will only be 12 students. There is no chance to get other students.
Wow. So how long is this course been running at IIT, the Masters in Economics program?
It's not that much long. It's been just 5 or 6 years, I guess. There are only 5 or 6 batches. I'm not exactly sure when it started.
Okay.
But it's not. We are 5th or 6th batch as far as I remember.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has been started in 2016, I guess.
Right, 2016.
Yes.
But it's still a relatively newer program.
Yes, very, very new program comparatively.
Yes. So now, how has your experience been with the faculty? Did you get a chance to interact with the faculty on a one-on-one personal level? And being in IIT, do you think the courses that they offer, is it any different from a regular master's program?
Actually, here the most of the faculty has international exposure, and they have very well experience about teaching and all, and they are very interactive. They always guide us through every decision we have to take. In Diwali, we go to our professor's house just to have some sweets and all. It's very friendly environment, and they guide us in every situation, whatever we need. Any problem we can discuss with them. They're very friendly, and and what else did you ask? I just forgot, sorry.
So do you like a program just the IIT plan?
Yeah.
It kind of
this
makes
program
things
is
that
As it is a premium institute, as we all know. So the program is made in that way. So it has many exposure, some practical exposure, and what should I say? They also try to include some data analysis thing into the course, and it's a very well maintained course, and it's be different from other. No, I guess in some extent it is different from other universities because they have some placement facilities and all, and other universities doesn't have it, so it's bit different from others. And it's not even that much mathematical, but we should know some mathematical some extent, because in economics math is very important.
Yes.
And in some universities economics are not being offered if you don't know math at all. So
Yes.
math is very important for economics.
Yes.
So that is the thing.
Yeah, even the entrance at IIT is not very easy. So if you clear the entrance, I mean, you should be able to manage, right?
Yes, if you cleared the entrances, so you have that ability to pursue the course and all. You know that level of maths.
Right. What are the kind of subjects that you did in your first semester?
In first semester it was the basic level, because this course which I am pursuing right now, it was mainly made for the non-economics background people.
Engineering
They wanted to attract the engineering student into economics and all.
Yes.
So this course is bit what should I say, preliminary level in the first semester. And even in our IIT Roorkee, we had the first batch with economics background. Previously all the students used to come from maths and engineering background. So this batch is bit different from other batches. So
Okay.
and most of the students have left because they think DSE is much better than IIT Roorkee. But still we have some engineering students and students from IT sector and all. Some has job opportunities, some have some job experience. They are still doing this MSc course and all because they want to know economics. So in the first semester we had just simple macro, some mathematical economics, and what else? There is money, banking and finance, some basic level economics which every student should know before entering into this course.
Okay. So that's a nice thing for students from all backgrounds, not just economics.
Yes. We have that plus point because we already know something
Yes.
regarding those things, because we have studied 3-4 years on these subjects in
Right.
economics.
Right.
So those who are not from economics, they are new, so they need to know something. So
Yes.
it's mainly structured from them in that way only.
Correct. And in second semester, how has been the courses like?
There will be some intermediary micro, and there will be introductory econometrics as far as I know. There will be environmental economics. It's like the other university only.
Like the general master's program, just
General master's program. Some mathematical base are there, and some analytical thing are some model and all. There are some bit different, but other course structure is more or less same with the other universities.
Similar. So like in my college, I'm from DSE. In my college, the first and the second semester used to be all fixed courses, and the third and the fourth semester used to be completely optionals. We could choose anything. So you wanted to major in development or finance or econometrics, whatever. It was your choice. Is it the same here? Do you have any idea?
Yeah. No. We have some fixed courses and some audit courses we can choose, with other departments and other some language courses, perhaps some programming courses. We can take it as audit courses just to learn. That doesn't give that much credit, but for learning, that is a great opportunity. From third semester, it's still there. And there is some dissertation and presentation thing also started from third semester, I guess.
Okay, so that's a compulsory dissertation that you have to do. That's part of. So I think some colleges have that one subject in your third sem and one in fourth sem is combined to make one dissertation program or something. So is it something like that there?
Is it something like that? It's something like that.
Okay, and you have this option of interdisciplinary courses. So if you want to learn something else at IIT, you can take it as an audit course that you are saying. Like you can learn it, may not get credit for it, but there's an option of choosing.
It will be added in our mark sheet and all.
It will be, but added in. It will reflect in your mark sheet as an official course that you. Okay, that's really nice. That's really nice.
Yes.
Okay, so that sounds good. And with regards to so faculty interaction, you said you've had very good interaction with your faculty, and the faculty is very encouraging. Also because the number of students are also not much, even they may be 12 or 32. The batch size is still small only. It's not going to be a large batch size.
Even if the batch size is 32, that is also not that much. It is very small. So the teacher can focus on every student. They can guide every student.
Right.
And as they have international exposure and very well connected to every like companies and all, they can guide us like what we should do, what we should not do for the corporate thing, if anyone want placement and all.
Right. So any idea how is the placements at IIT, like your previous batch? How are the placements there?
Yes, as like it is a very new course. Like previously, it was like what should I say? We didn't have that much alumni in different companies and all. But gradually, it is getting stronger and stronger, and like most of them are doing very like well placed and different high companies and government sectors also. Especially last year, the placement has been very good, like in our previous batch.
Okay.
Most of them have got placed, those who wanted placement. So around like, what should I say? Around 10 or 12 students has got placed. Like around 12 was wanted to get placement and around 10 or 12 students have got placed. And the minimum CTC was like 16 lakhs. And 16 lakhs, yes.
Minimum CTC?
CTC. It was 16 lakhs and the highest one was 29 lakhs and something like that. So it was a very good year for IIT Roorkee. So
that is
it's
very nice.
Really improving. Yes. And the majority profile is data analytics and like what should I say, data science and all.
Yes.
So some also have got some managerial post and all. So it was very good year for IIT Roorkee for the placement thing.
That sounds really nice. That sounds wonderful. And as the institute grows, so your placements happen. So the economics department holds its separate placements, or is it merged with some other department?
No, it's not like that. We have PSC, but for the placement, we have to compete with every students. We have to compete with the BTech also, like and also MSc from other batches, other departments. So we have to compete with all of them. Right. And some posts only for economists, but most of them are not open for economists because it's a very new branch, no? So they are trying to open all the sector for economic students also. So
right.
Placement cell is working on that, but it's been very good last year. So I think from our batch it will be more good, I suppose.
All the best for that. I really hope it does. This sounds really nice for the students. Yeah, that sounds wonderful. So data analysis packages. So IIT brand name definitely is going to help in placements.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So wonderful. And any idea about students opting to maybe pursue higher studies? How is it going for them?
There are many exchange programs like DART and like Switzerland, some scholarship. I don't know exactly the names. There are many exchange programs. So if any students wants to go abroad for some exchange program, it is also there. And after like completing, they can go for PhD for other universities, because as IIT is well reputed institute in India, so they don't face any problems in like getting PhD and all. So that opportunity has also been there, and some can also like do PhD in IIT only. That possibility is also there. Yes. And there are many projects. All the faculties are doing some projects. So all can enter into some projects if they are interested. They are good in that subject. They are interested in that project thing. So that possibility is also there.
So the faculty is pretty involved in different areas. So if you have an area of choice, then maybe you can collaborate with that faculty and start working.
Yes. If you are good at it, then they might take you as intern or something like that, assistant.
Yes. Oh, that sounds really nice. So it sounds like a very nice, well-rounded package, if I may call it. That it sounds. It sounds good, and with all the learning opportunities that you're saying, you have the regular programs, and then with that you have this coding extra that you can learn, because now that's very important. Students will have to know some coding, because that's the kind of job profiles that we are that is being offered. So everything is getting covered. The practical aspect, the theoretical aspect, the placements. So it looks like a very nice complete package. at IIT
Mhm.
Roorkee. Oh, that's
Yes.
wonderful. Anything else that you would like to add in case I missed asking anything?
Like internship program you have missed, I guess.
Yeah.
There are also internship facilities also there. There are various companies which comes, like we have to apply through our portal. We have different portal for internship and all. We can apply through there, and yes, and there are some companies from Japan and different countries also. So that possibility is also there. If you are good with data and if you are good with new technologies and all, you have that possibilities to get that internship and all. So that possibilities also there.
Wow, that's really nice. So it sounds like because of the brand name, there are lots of opportunities available, and it's this
Yes. So
department.
you have to grab it. You have to grab it. You have to be very good, extraordinary, and you have to grab it. That's it.
Yeah, but the opportunities are available. So for an interested student and a hardworking student, it seems like a wonderful place to be in.
Yes, exactly.
Wow. Okay, so on that note, Deepa, thank you so much for your time. And I think that will be very helpful to the students. And I hope more and more students stay at IIT Roorkee and they can get these amazing packages that you are saying. It sounds very tempting. And I'm sure now that more students know about it, I hope more serious students who are serious about IIT, apply to IIT Roorkee.
I hope it helps them to encourage them.
Yes.
So, thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much for your time, Deepa.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Video useful and would like to share it with your friends, then click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.